Unleash the power of creativity. Dive into the future with our groundbreaking AI video generator, where imagination meets technology. Today marks the dawn of a new era in content creation, and we're giving you the keys to unlock it for free. Get ready to transform your ideas into mesmerizing videos effortlessly. Are you searching for free AI video generator tools? Look no further. Your creative journey starts here. First, open the official PixVerse.ai website by following the link provided in the video description. Simply click on the Join Beta button to embark on an exciting journey into the realm of AI-generated videos. To accept the invitation, you'll need a Discord account. If you don't have one yet, create a Discord account first. Once you're logged into the PixVerse Discord server, navigate to the options to Generate Room 1 or Generate Room 2 based on your preference. This is where the magic happens. Select the room that suits your creative vision. In the prompt bar, add a / and type Create. Next, select the text-to-video prompt option. First, enter or paste your prompt. For example, create GTA 6 trailer, action-packed, 4K. After that, click on + for more to explore various options for video generation, including negative prompt, seed, aspect ratio, and character. For an immersive landscape video, choose the aspect ratio 16:9. Simply hit the Enter button and anticipate the results. Watch as your creative vision comes to life in a dynamic and visually stunning video, tailored to your specifications. When the video generation is complete, click on the Download button. Here are some videos that I generated using PixVerse AI. Thanks for watching these amazing videos created with PixVerse AI. If you enjoyed the magic, make sure to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you won't miss out on more awesome content in the future. Just click that subscribe button and join us on this creative journey.